Hi friends, welcome to Trading Tuitions channel. This is Ramesh. Today I am going to share you Pine script code for turtle trading. Before going to content, please see the disclaimer. Trading is very dangerous. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm just sharing you this content for educational purpose only. I'm in no way recommending you to do trading. I hope you understand this. Let's go to the topic. Simply turtle trading means we will buy at 55 days high. I mean, whenever the market crosses the last 55 days high, we will buy the stock. And the second step is we will exit when the current market price is crossing below the last 20 days low. If you want to know what is turtle trading, you can go to Mr. Mahesh Chandra Kaushinji YouTube channel and he has clearly demonstrated this strategy. Also, you can get beautiful contents from his blog and channel. Okay, let's go to the charts and how we can apply turtle trading on charts. So I'm using TradingView platform. It has two types of subscriptions, one free and another one paid subscription. In free subscription, we can use only 2 to 3 indicators. So to create an account, if you don't know anything about creating an account in this, you can go to my channel, dot from RBG Telegram channel, displayed in this. You can see here, dot from RBG Telegram channel. There you can download step-by-step procedure for creating TradingView account. If you already had an account, you have to just log in. Then you have to go down and see the Pine editor. Here we will be writing a box code for turtle trading. What we have to do is, first of all, you have to select all this code, delete it, and you have to paste this box code. You can see this is a box code I have modified to turtle trading. In turtle trading, we need only two things. One is highest value, last 55 days highest value, and last 20 days lowest value. So here in bar index, we have to decrease the value to 54. Whenever when the range is 55, we have to give index as -1. So here it is 54. So if you add this to chart, here we get this beautiful turtle box. Procedure is simple. If you want to buy a stock, you have to always buy when the market is in this level, top line level. So this is present day. If the market crosses this price, we can buy. After buying, when the market going upside and at any point of time, if it crosses below this low line, I mean not this line, this box will move daily. So whenever it crosses below this line, we have to exit. This is our entry point and this is our exit point. This is such simple strategy. So you can also modify this box to your intraday purpose also. So here I am making box value, lowest value as 10, lowest value as 10. So the total highest range is only 10. So we have to give a bar index as 9 and you have to add to chart. So here two boxes are there. So one I am deleting. Now you can see the box is created for only 10 range. So this is a clear direction. You can see I am analyzing this Bank Nifty chart. Now you can see here, the market is clearly going down. Trading box is a simple way of analyzing. You can see here, when the market is in downtrend, you can see here, market is going from this corner to this corner. If the market is in uptrend, it will go from this corner to this corner. So it's such a simple strategy. When the market crosses this line, upper line, we can buy. When the market crosses this lower line, we can exit. This is our simple strategy. Here I am using daily time frame. If you want to use in 5 minutes, it is also beneficial. Now the present market is completely in a range. If it crosses above, for short term, we can buy. For short term, if it crosses this line, we can exit. So if you want this code, You can subscribe to my Dot from RBG channel displayed in this picture. I also provide 3 weeks trading course for complete beginners at nominal rate in English, Telugu and Hindi. If you want to contact me, please contact at this number. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And also please comment. Thank you for watching this video.